may have noticed up here, as well as the option to convert, is the option to replace. So in this case, for example, we may want to search for a particular word. What we can do is we can search for whatever the word may be, or we can search for spaces or particular characters or whatever it may be. So we may want to search for the word sentence and change it to let's change it to the word paragraph. There we go. And we can choose the strength of this is that we can search for particular things that may be at the start of each paragraph or the end of each paragraph or anywhere within. Now this text, the word sentence, is in the middle. It's not case sensitive, but in this case, if we go clean, you'll notice it's put every occurrence of the word sentence, it's gone and put the word paragraph in there. Now, you can do a lot of this stuff inside a word processor, but it's sometimes a bit harder to say whether it's at the start or the end of a sentence. So you may want to, for example, only get rid of spaces, for example, at the start of sentences or at the end of sentences. The other thing you can do is you can look for particular codes. Like you can look for something with a space and then a carriage return and then another space, for example. That sort of thing, or line feeds or tabs or escape characters. And you can also replace those characters in as well. Now they show up in the fields up the top here as particular characters, but that's just so that you can see them. When they actually do the cleanup, they're actually going to be converted to normal, to those particular invisible characters. So that's convert and that's replace within CleanHaven, which are pretty powerful capabilities. The last thing that you may have noticed all the way along is there's this Google ad down there. If you find that particular product interesting, then please do click on it if you want. If you click on the right hand side here, it'll open it up in your particular browser window. Otherwise it'll try and open up within its own window. And that'll give some revenue through to Holy Mackerel Software so we can continue creating software. If you find that it's a bit of a pain, just click on the minimize button and it'll get it out of your way, no problems at all. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial on CleanHaven. I hope that it's useful for you. If you want to download any other software, please go to holymackerelsoftware.com. Okay, thank you and goodbye.